What's cracking YouTube, Dreaded Eagle fam? Weezy the Dreaded Eagle back at you with another video. I ain't dropped a video in forever. Since we won a Super Bowl, you know what I'm saying? But still, look. I'm always and forever be a Philadelphia Eagles fan, bro. I've been a Philadelphia Eagles fan my whole life. And it ain't gonna stop. But anyway, I wanna talk about the hate that our quarterback, Jalen Hurts, continues to get, bro. It's insane how much hate he still get, dog. Even after going to 2 Super Bowls, stats getting better every season, bro. Turnovers go down every season. I know at one point in time, man, the motherfucker was a turnover machine, dog. He was just turning the fucking ball over left and right. And I ain't afraid to admit that, you feel me? That's what it was. He was turning the ball over left and right, man. He threw some interceptions, man, but his main problem was fumbling the football. Bro. He got better at not turning the ball over. He got better at it. Every season, dog. Got better at throwing the football. Got better at making his reads. Got better at reading defenses. Because of for a long time, Todd Bowles had his number. Like real shit. The Buccaneers had his number. There was a time where Jalen Hurts wasn't reading defenses good. But you know what? We stuck it out. Pause. Kept faith in our quarterback. Kept faith in Jalen Hurts. Bro, the fact that some of these ex-football players and these commentators on ESPN, bro, still want to put motherfuckers like Jaden Daniels in front of him. Bryce Young. Motherfucker said Bryce Young is a better quarterback than Jalen Hurts, bro. Like, come on, man. What type of fucking shit is that, dog? Like, come on. What kind of shit is that? Bryce Young better than an MVP, a Super Bowl MVP quarterback, and a Super Bowl winning quarterback. I'm just flabbergasted by that shit, bro. That shit still pisses me off. I don't understand, dog. I don't understand. The narrative that he... Bro, folks is fucking dumb, bro. I seen the show the other day with TJ Houshmandzadeh on it. And he was talking about taking who we say they was having a discussion about Jalen Hurts, a top 5 quarterback, which has been a topic since forever. It's always the topic about anything about Jalen Hurts, bro. Motherfucker gonna want to make something about it. Somebody gonna make a video about it, or anything that pertains to Jalen Hurts, bro. You gonna get clicks. This ain't what this video about. I don't even make videos like I'm supposed to, but hey, this ain't what that's about. This is about the blatant disrespect that Jalen Hurts still get, bro, after going out and winning a fucking Super Bowl. Josh Allen ain't got a Super Bowl. Joe Burrow went to a Super Bowl, lost the motherfucker. Just like my quarterback, who's been to 2 Super Bowls. Probably would have won that one too. The first Super Bowl, the fucking defense didn't let us down like they did. Jonathan Gannon, burning hell. Josh Allen, no Super Bowl. Joe Burrow, no Super Bowl. What's the dude name in San Diego? Justin Herbert, no Super Bowl. Let's see, I can go on. Lamar Jackson, no Super Bowl. That's 5 quarterbacks everybody loved to put in front of him. with no Super Bowl rings. Yeah, Lamar Jackson got MVPs. Josh Allen got MVPs and all that other bullshit. But, bro, where's the fucking hardware here? Where's the ring? Where the hardware? That's what motherfucking matters. That's what fucking matters. Not that, bro. For Jalen Hurts, bro, it's always been, look at his team. Look at his team. Bro, you're supposed to build around your quarterback. You're supposed to put winning pieces around your fucking superstar quarterback. And yeah, I said superstar because Jalen Hurts is a superstar. If he wasn't, motherfuckers wouldn't doubt him as much as they do, bro. Even in college, bro. Even in college. The man got 2 national championship rings. Come on, man. And he got a Super Bowl ring. He got NFC championship rings. Trophies. Dak Prescott. Bro, that's another motherfucker right there I forgot. Dak Prescott. So, to recap, Josh Allen, no Super Bowl. Justin Herbert, no Super Bowl. Ain't even sniffed a fucking Super Bowl, but he better than Jalen Hurts. Justin Herbert. Get the fuck out of here with that shit. Jaden Daniels. Listen, he's a promising young talent, young fella, young guy, young brother. Whatever you want to say. But he ain't better than my quarterback. Dak Prescott, Lamar Jackson, fucking, the only motherfucker in the NFL that's fucking with Jalen Hurts is Patrick Mahomes, bro. And my guy that outplayed his ass in the Super Bowls twice. It don't matter that, you know what I'm saying, the first one he outplayed him in, we lost that motherfucker. It don't matter how he played. We lost. That shit don't matter. And it's okay because every time people doubt him, bro, he go out there and just show out. He go out there and silence the fucking critics. You would think him winning a Super Bowl and a Super Bowl MVP will make these motherfuckers shut up about him, but it don't. It don't matter. Because you know why? He played for the Philadelphia Eagles. That's why. Because he played for the Birds. That's why. We the most hated team in the league, still. Always gonna be like that. I don't understand. I don't get it. The argument, bro, it's always look at Jalen Hurts' team. Look at his defense. Look at his running back. Look at his offensive line. Best offensive line in football. 2 top 10 receivers. Top 5, A.J. Brown. Smitty, top 10. I don't give a fuck what nobody say. Top 3 tight end in the league. In Dallas Goedert. Best offensive line in the league. And them is facts. We got the best O-line in the league. Been having the best O-line in the league for years. If it's not the best, it's damn near, it's number 2. It's number 2. We got great defensive tackles. I mean, D linemen. We got a good linebacking core. You know, the Campbell guy we just drafted, bro, with him paired with Zach Bond, bro. I can't wait to see this shit. These motherfucking Eagles, bro. The Eagles, bro. We gonna go back to the fucking Super Bowl, man. The only thing that's gonna stop us is us. The main thing be the main thing, boy. Getting back to that, getting another ring, cuz. Get us another championship. We need 3. I need that 3rd one, bro. I gotta have it. Pause. Got to. It's insane how much disrespect my guys still get, man. It don't make no sense. I don't understand it. I never will. The man get better every season. The man gets better every season. And you motherfuckers still not happy with that. I'm still not happy with him getting better every season, dog. It don't matter to folks. But when I heard TJ Houshmandzadeh say he taking Jaden Daniels over Jalen Hurts, or did Paul Pierce say that shit? I think Paul Pierce said that shit. But either way, both of them bastards said dumb shit about Jalen Hurts like everybody in the world does. But not Keyshawn Johnson. Keyshawn was just like looking at them both of the motherfuckers like, man, y'all are stupid. Keyshawn said, I'm not taking any of those guys over my Super Bowl winning quarterback. My MVP, my Super Bowl MVP winning quarterback. Bro, I love Keyshawn Johnson, dog. He keep it real. He always has. Even when he's playing football. But look here. Motherfucker gonna have to start putting some respect on Jalen Hurts' name, bro. Like, for real, he deserve it. He deserve all the respect in this fucking world. He ain't did nothing but prove, and prove. Time and time again, bro. That he deserved to be a starting quarterback in this fucking league. He deserved to have Super Bowl championships. All pros. Shit like that. He deserved to have all that shit because he play his ass off when he get on that field, man. Not to mention the rushing, his ability to fucking run, bro. Come on, man. I'm getting mad now because, dog, it don't make no sense how much he gets shit on still. It don't. It makes no sense how much he still gets shit on. It's horse shit. Like, real talk. Jalen Hurts is one of the best quarterbacks in the NFL. Hands down. Top 5. I don't give a fuck what nobody say. Proof in the pudding. Shit. Come on, man. Since when does winning a Super Bowl don't count towards shit? Winning Super Bowl MVP don't count towards a damn thing. Just because he don't have 4,000 and 5,000 passing yards every motherfucking season, who cares? My boy wins. Give a fuck about no passing yards. Granted, I would like to see him get more passing yards, but that shit don't matter. Get to the Super Bowl matter. Get to the fucking playoffs matters. That's what matters. All these fucking your passing yards and accolades and shit, that shit don't mean nothing, bro, if you can't get your ass to the big dance. If you can't get your ass to the big dance, dog, shit. Shit, I don't, what the fuck you playing football for? That's the purpose, right? That's the purpose, right? To get to the Super Bowl. The purpose is not to make the playoffs. We make the playoffs every fucking season. We done made the playoffs with Jalen Hurts every fucking season, dog. He done made the playoffs every season he been in the league. They don't matter either, right? I would say no because they didn't. Three of his years didn't matter because he wouldn't go to the Super Bowl. But we went to the fucking playoffs. We stay in the playoffs. We always a game away from the big dance, or we in that motherfucker. Even when we had Brian Dawkins, we went to the NFC Championship 4 years straight. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. That's insane. For real. I need more respect on my guy name, bro. I need more respect on these Eagles, period. We the champs right now, bro. We the champs. We the fucking champs right now. Not the Chiefs. Not the Cowboys. Not the Ravens. Not the Bills. Not the Bengals. Nobody. None of them. We the champs right now. And I think we're going to remain the champs. We're going to remain the champs. The way we draft, the way that we draft, and keep a team together is crazy. That man Howard Roseman is insane with the numbers. We bring in winners. That's why Bryce Huff had to go. He didn't want to be part of the formula, you feel me? He had to go. And I'm glad he gone. I think all of us glad he fucking gone. Fuck him. But Jalen Hurts, he need more respect. He deserved more respect. He done earned that respect. He done earned that motherfucking respect. Like, damn. How much more does he got to do now? Win one more Super Bowl? He gonna have about 4. He gonna have about 3 before he retire. Before he hang it up, he gonna have him about 3. Sorry to tell y'all. I'm speaking it into fruition. Before he hang them cleats up, which I hope ain't soon or no time soon, because we need him. He gonna have about 3 Super Bowls. It's inevitable. Like real talk. And yeah, we can't keep Smitty and AJ together forever. It'd be nice. I know we can't keep them together forever. But we can damn sure try. We can damn sure try. Hell. Ocho stayed with the Bengals for 12 years almost. Who else? Marvin Harrison. Motherfuckers like, you know what I'm saying? Marvin Harrison stayed with the fucking the Colts. I think Reggie Wayne did too. Greats. Those guys are greats at that position. Legends. Reggie Wayne. Shit, man, he was just as good as Marvin Harrison. Reggie Wayne, he was the master at that toe drag. Shit. Him and Nate Burleson, they was the masters of that toe drag, the toe tap. But hey, this upcoming season, Jalen Hurts is going to show you motherfuckers one more time. Breed of one. Shit. He going to show you motherfuckers one more time why you need to put some respect on his motherfucking name. Put some respect on these motherfucking Eagles. He going to show y'all one more time, dog. And when he does, hey, man. And when he does, I told you so. I'm going to be here to tell you motherfuckers I told you so. Think I ain't? You think I ain't? Watch. Weezy the Dreaded Eagle. When he come to these motherfucking Eagles, bro, I don't play around. I don't play no games. I be ready to jack. Yeah, like real talk. I'm pretty sure all of you, excuse me, I almost choked. Pause. I'm pretty sure all y'all be ready to jack. It no matter what team you a fan of. Somebody say something about your team, man, you ready to throw fisticuffs. I know I am. I don't give a fuck. Don't play around about these Eagles, dog. I don't. Put some respect on this man's name, dog. All he got is a tush push. And that's not all he got. He got all the fucking intangibles of being a good quarterback. When you add his legs to his game, dog, come on, man. Motherfuckers don't be complaining when Lamar Jackson be running for 100 yards a game and shit like that. Why is the problem with my guy running the ball? Josh Allen be running the shit out the ball. Why is the problem with my guy running the ball? I don't understand. It's part of his game, bro. He's not going to go nowhere. So you motherfuckers might as well get used to it. You might as well get used to it. Because he ain't going nowhere, man. He not going nowhere, bro. He always healthy. Shit, man. Come on. Come on, man. I don't think they're gonna stop us. It's us, man. Ain't nothing they gonna stop us. We're gonna stop ourselves. Anything, bro. Like we have in the past. That's it. Solid defense. Solid old line, bro. And we need Jalen Hurts to be solid. Which he is gonna be. Just wait. You're supposed to build around your quarterback, bro. Are you not supposed to go and get him a good running back? That's anybody's team. Ain't you supposed to go and get him good running back, good O-line and shit like that? So why is the problem? Why is that a fucking excuse? I don't understand why that's an excuse. I don't get why that's a fucking reason why he does what he does. Why is that a reason? Because he got a good supporting cast. You're supposed to have a good supporting cast, man. Motherfuckers are stupid. All he had to do was turn around and get the ball to Saquon Barkley. He also passed the fucking ball and he ran the ball himself. I don't give a fuck about him not passing for 30 touchdowns and all that shit, man. That would be nice. That'd be cool. But that shit don't matter, man. What matters is getting to that Super Bowl and winning that motherfucker. That's all I care about. Real shit. That's all I care about. That's all that matters. Look at his support. Look at his team, man. He got a good team. So what? He's supposed to have a good motherfucking team. Get out of here with that. Motherfuckers get on my nerves. All these so-called gurus and shit don't know what the fuck they be talking about, man. Stupid son of bitches, man. Fuck out of here. TJ Houshmandzadeh was a number 2 receiver his whole damn life, so that shit don't. Nigga, you sat behind Chad Johnson. You was Chad Johnson, motherfucking road dog. Oh, Joe. It's insane. He is a top 5 quarterback. He is one of the best quarterbacks in the league, man. You gotta give my motherfucking guy some respect. I don't understand it, dog. The man go out there and play his ass off in every motherfucking football game. Passing, running. He done made some beautiful passes. Last season, bro, you see how he passed the ball in the Super Bowl? Come on! But he can't throw the ball. He made beautiful throws last season, bro. During the season and in the Super Bowl. The The fucking touchdown he threw to Smitty in the Super Bowl, bruh. What about the one he threw to Jahan Dotson and they got called back? Hey, dog. Keep playing. Keep playing. Motherfucker gonna find out again. Gonna find out again. Put some respect on Jalen Hurts' name. I don't understand, bro. I don't get it. Dak Prescott. Yes, he's a better thrower of the ball than Jalen Hurts. Dak Prescott been in the league 10 years. Some shit like that. Or close to it. He ain't did none of the shit my quarterback done did. In the short 5 or 6 years he been in the NFL, my dude done already been to 2 Super Bowls, won one, got all pros, and he got a Super Bowl MVP already. Boy, Dak Prescott got one of those? Nope. I don't think he's gonna get there no time soon, dog. I ain't gonna even cap, bro. I gotta throw some hate at you bastards. I hate you Cowboys. Look here. You got us fucked up. That's all I can tell y'all bastards. That's all I can keep telling y'all, man. Y'all got us fucked up. We're gonna keep showing y'all, man. We're gonna show y'all every season. Howard Roseman's gonna keep on drafting stars. We're gonna keep on drafting stars, boy. Hey, them white boys we got, man, the 2 ghosts we got. No racism. Shit. Hey. We got, bro. Damon Whitney just got Mukaba from Texas with Sidney Brown. Everybody ain't gonna make the cut. Everybody ain't gonna make the team, man. That sucks. But it is what it is. Bro, Sidney Brown, Reed Blankenship, Andrew Mukaba, Cooper DeJean, Quinyon Mitchell, Keely Ringo. Come on, bro. That's another guy I need y'all to come on, man. Keely is gonna be all right. What corner in the NFL don't get burnt or don't give up a play? Everybody is gonna give up plays every now and then, man. But I promise you, man, Keely's gonna make more plays than he give up. 6'2" frame, man, with 4.3 speed. Come on, dog. He can cover. I'm telling you, man. We gonna be all right, bro. Oh my God. Zach Bond, N'Kobe Dean, the kid Campbell we just drafted. Man, this defense is... It's gonna be a problem, bro. We gonna be a problem for everybody. I don't give a fuck what you talking about. I don't care. We gonna be a problem, bro. We gonna be a problem. Well, motherfucker might well get ready. Once again. Gonna be a problem. To shock the world one more time. Go Birds regardless, bro. All day, every day. Fuck what a nigga talking about. Put some respect on Jay Hurts' name. Talk about my guy. Fuck out of here with that shit. Man just gets better, bro. He just gets better every season, man. He do better every season, bro. I don't get it. I don't get it, bro. He got better. Bro. Turnover, the only thing, bro. Turnovers, the only thing, bro. And them shits done went down, man. He done cut down on turning that damn ball over. It's cool. It's cool. He like to go out there and show motherfuckers what the business is. You know, he like to go out there and show motherfuckers what's cracking. I'll show you what's cracking once again. Jalen Hurts one of the best quarterbacks in the NFL. I ain't putting no fucking Justin Herbert over. Bryce Young is insane. Bryce Young over Jalen Hurts is insane. That there is straight malarkey. That's what that is. Jaden Daniels over Jalen Hurts is insane also. I don't give a fuck what you talk about. I don't care. I can see Patrick Mahomes, maybe Josh Allen. But nobody else in the NFL, bro. If you ain't none of the guys out of the name, man, you ain't fucking with Jalen Hurts. Bryce Young definitely not fucking with Jay Hurts, bro. That's cap. That's caparoni. My boy go out there and goddamn handle business every motherfucking season. He go out there and play his ass off with his team. Has since we put him in when he was number 2. When he had number 2 on his jersey, he still played his ass off. We had to come in and bail Carson Wentz out. He still played his ass off. And I love and I love Carson Wentz. How he fell off, boy. It's insane how he fell off. But he ain't our problem no more. You know, but Jalen Hurts is. In a good way. Jalen Hurts is everybody else's problem. You feel me? You feel me? You hear me? Man, hey man. He everybody else's problem, man. I'm telling you. Shit. He gon' see a problem like a motherfucker. Watch, man. Watch. Motherfucking catastrophe. You know what I mean? A motherfucking catastrophe. Bloodbaths. Once again. Like we were doing last season, bro. It was bloodbaths. Just stay tuned. That's all I can tell you, motherfuckers. Motherfucker ain't better than Jalen Hurts, man. Having the fucking quarterbacks in the NFL not better than him, man. I don't understand. They not. Good Lord. I don't get it. And he a good person, bro. Oh my God. Dude. Oh my Jesus. Dog. All I can say is stay tuned. I don't give a damn about him not passing for 4,000 yards. If he don't, he always damn near close to 4,000. I'd like to see more passing touchdowns than rushing touchdowns, yeah. But hey, whatever to win the fucking football game. Running is his part of his game. He a black man. No racism. Shit. Come on, dog. That's part of his God-given gift. His legs. He been blessed to play football. You feel me? It's part of his God-given gift. If I was out there playing quarterback and I could run and I was fast and I see man coverage, I'm gone. And he could pass the ball, bro. That shit need to be put to rest also. Like I was saying earlier, the passes that he made this season and the passes that he made in the Super Bowl this year, bro. Come on, bro. You got motherfuckers like TJ Houshmandzadeh who ain't never been to a Super Bowl, and boy, talking that shit, talking that dumb shit. Shit that don't make no sense, boy. God in heaven help him. And God bless whoever hating on Jay Hurts. Real shit. Just keep on down, bro. That's all I can see. That's all it come down to right there. Just keep on down. The man get better every season. He had a wax. That's what he's supposed to do. You got motherfuckers out here saying that he's not a top five quarterback. Not top. Some people say he ain't top 10, bro. I don't understand that either. Chris Sims, Phil Sims, whichever one of them bastards, I hate them too. It is what it is. Anyway, I'm about to get up off here. He's go Bears regardless. All day, every day. Put some respect on my quarterback name. He deserve it. And he earned that shit. He done earned that shit. But it ain't about that, man. He gonna go out there and take it. Pause, regardless. Like he been doing. Like I said. Go Bears regardless. Go Bears regardless, man. Weezy Dreaded Eagle out.